back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right, yes guys, welcome to Patwa Chronicles. Yes guys, me I getting a little piece of yellow yam. No man who runners them can run so fast and bear things. It's not just about the slaves them are coming in, but yes, so them come them bring yellow yam with them. And of course I'm gonna like a piece. So right down in this now.
My youth, you dash me away. You dash me away with my youth. You know, for your girlfriend, you come back and dash me away. So watch this entire video now. Boom.
Panelist first, Yardi. Yo, Yardi Wagwana. So this were Patwa Yardi. Of course, you go anywhere, you go America. If you use it out here too in Jamaica, if you know the person deport you or something like that, no offense. But you're in the US or whatever, wherever part of the world, and you are see another Jamaican, you just say, yo, Yardi, Wagwan. So right there and then, you know, see that fellow Jamaican that, right? Yardi, wapen, wagwan, watagwan. You understand? So guys, I can use any one of them sentence there and, you know, free one more yardi. Alright, now, so we're going to look on the English part of it. And as me say, you know, you're there Australia, you're there Sweden, wherever. You see a yardi, you see a Jamaican, yardi. Alright, you hear yardi or yardi, whatever you want to say. But it means a fellow Jamaican, right? So, hi Jimmy, nice to see you. How you doing? So, you know, so that's the thing said. Alright, hi Jimmy. Alright, so next panelist, Let me see, I become a don't know what come next. So, I keep on if you're there, start the video, but see you now, where? Alright, where the dish there? Yo, where the dish? May I bring my dish come? Hey, come with the dish, man. Where the dish?
Hey, you don't want the food again? Come and dish out your food and beer things.
Yes, guys, here in Jamaica, even a plate or a bowl we'll call a dish. Alright, so you come here and you hear them say, oh my god, those people, what is a dish? Alright, something we eat out of, you know, not the satellite one, but the one you put the food in. Yeah, we call it a dish. So dish out some food for me. I come feed here. Yeah, I name for everybody, but when you hear me say me, I come to you for the food. But pick up yourself. Alright, so dish is the same as plate or. So you comment down below and tell me what you call a plate where you eat out or if you're not a Jamaican, if you're Jamaican, tell me the same thing. When you think about bowl, dish, plate, you don't really say plate that much, but people still hear what talk like that in the people. Alright? So the English word now for it, so where, right? So where? Monica, where's my plate? Alright? Monica, where's my plate? So we're talking about dish and where. Dish and way. Alright guys, so watch my hey.
Next panelist.
My youth, you dash me away, my youth. You know, since I got friend and come up, I notice you dash me away. Now where you depend? My youth, you dash me away. Alright, I said the thing set. Nah worry. You don't know the thing set, man. So guys, you come here in Jamaica, you hear my youth or youth, might be wondering what are they talking about? But youth referring to someone, the male mostly use it like they will say my brother or my brethren or stuff like that. Or you know, yo party. For the male they will say, no youth, my you big up yourself. Or you know, even the females will turn to the men and say, big up yourself, my youth, Ray. You like the thing, lad, Ray. You understand me? So yeah, youth. Now in English, you might say just refer to somebody's name, alright? So you can say, we'll go by the English part now, we think about it, alright? It's because I don't want longer videos, not even remember where did I put all these stuff, so laugh at me, but no, you know I won't edit out anything because I think, man, everybody make mistakes, right? So see my mistake right there. So right now, see that my youth, you dash me away. My girl, you dash me but a youth we are talking about right now, don't it? Yeah, so my youth, what a pre, what going right now, what a guan. So I don't know all the English version takes so long to come. But see it here, just a walking and a boast to himself. If you're the right here, so right, boast to himself right here. So, and thou shall not boast. Come on, God don't like a person who boasts on them things here. No, enough work. So Jill, it has been a while. How are you? Jill, it has been a while. How are you? How you doing? Alright, so you're referring to somebody by youth. I must say hail up a male part. You won't, I've never heard they said to a female, my youth. You know, it's most of the male they holler. You know, in America you say holla, or is it holla or hello, whatever. My dear, help me please. But it's holla. You'll holler someone up and say, hey you, what they guan, what guan, big up yourself. So you don't know the thing set. But for we ladies, you want, it's not a ladies thing, it's a you thing. It's alright, man to man, boy to boy, yeah. So
Next panelist, Dutch pot.
You know, when Olympic time and the track and flying around and beer thing, you know, Ray, Dutch pot, Dutch pot, yeah. So allow me now say a big head for Dutch pot, or allow me now say head for Dutch pot. So here in Jamaica, guys, man, come here, you know, you pass when you see here, oh my God, she was Dutch pot. What is that? What is she saying to him? Oh my God, that don't sound nice. Oh no. Don't worry yourself. Jamaica, our sense of humor, I mean, we oftentimes get mistakes. I'm going to do a video on that because a lot of people, things that we take for joke, they take it seriously. And so cultural difference can cause some, you know, problem. But hey, don't play with me. You said big and people Dutch pot. Yeah, we're using another term. If you know it, put it down in the comment section. Jamaicans, I'm talking to you. If you know the other thing that would love to see your head big like, put it down there. So now English, I don't know, but in English, yeah, huge. Brother Roy. You know you have a huge head though, but I understand God making them own image, so I'm not offending you nor anything, but I'm just sick. Alright? Not supposed to laugh. They're not supposed to laugh. Anyway, guys, we come to the end of another Patwa Chronicles video. Thank you very much for coming and big up on yourself. Big up. God loves you. I love you. Everybody love you. So see you. Yes, guys, check me out on Morning Glory at 6 a.m. Jamaican time. 6:15 little, because I was a little prayer requesting before I come, but you might never know 6 a.m. under that. I never know, you understand? And see me Thursday at 6 p.m. guys, and I'm gonna come between my lunchtime 12 to 12:30 for Bible studies. Bye.